We are playing another account. This is not my account. And not this.
I know the password, guys. We know the password. 1,000.
You want this, guys? The name is Alan Carl 7 and the password is Alan Carl. Gusto nyo? Subscribe muna kayo. Bigayin ko dan sa inyo, guys. Ang password at
Pero wag niyo
username.
i-hack yung garden niya sa grow garden.
Mayaman to.
Ay, mayaman.
Mayaman to. Mayaman to po, guys. Quadrillionaire to po. Pakitain ko sa iyo mamaya. Ay sa next video na lang pala. Pakitain ko how much she is rare. Magusto niyo po.
More fruit of quadrillion.
Quadrillion. She have a quadrillion money.
And fruit.
You can get this by subscribing, guys. And I will get
Narinig ka ni ante?
I will put in the comments the password and the user. That is
YouTuber na
all,
Roblox,
guys.
YouTuber na Roblox.
You want this? Just subscribe, guys. Ay, nahulog ako, guys.
Patay ka.
Nahulog ako.
Nakapindot ka tapos nag-parcel ka. No?
Sige lang, subscribe kayo, guys.
Gadwell and Mawas.
Sige.
Pampay kayo.
Sige kayo. Kung hindi nyo gusto to, bala kayo.
Tapos magtingin na ano te? Te,
Alim
pagtingin
muna
na
tayo dito,
taga-parcel te,
guys.
sabihin niya maliit pa lang.
Oh, guys, sige. Sino gusto nito? Just put your name in the comments. I will give you the password and the user.
Katulad kay John Mark, nag-order siya ng basta-basta. Mahal pa man te.
Mahal.
Sige,
Sobra
guys.
1,000.
Sige, pakitain mo na lang. Leave muna tayo dito, sige.
Bayaran.
This is another game, guys. I will give
Kaya nila tinago yun, no? Shopee.
the account niya, guys. Her username and
Yung Shopee. Shopee lang.
her password, guys. We are going
Hindi basta-basta.
in the grow a garden. His account, we know the password. I will give you the username and the password. You can change the password anyone you want. Oh, tignan po. Tignan nyo how much his money worth. This is her garden.